Well, as we all try to be while driving, accidents happen, and even those small fender benders can have big effects on our back and neck. But no worries, we stopped by the Dr. Gill Center to find out how they can help.
Every day in Tennessee, 500 people are involved in an auto accident. It's hard to believe. In the United States, 1 million auto accidents result in injury every year, and 10% of those result in permanent disability. One of the first things that occurs during an auto accident when you're hit from behind is the neck hyperextends. It bends backwards suddenly. Then the neck has to recoil. Just like a rubber band stretching, it has to go the other way. So then the neck bends forward in the other direction. This results in a whiplash type of injury to the neck, which means that the tendons, the muscles, and ligaments get overstretched and injured. When we look at the spine from the side view in the neck, we can see here that there's a curve. This curve is often reduced or lost completely during a car accident. It ends up like this. Once the neck loses the curve, since the head weighs as much as a bowling ball, that compressive force can cause irritation to these discs and nerves and cause further injury and degeneration down the road. One of the purposes and goals of our treatment is not only to get rid of the pain, but also to help restore the curve in the neck, if it's been lost, and provide for normal range of motion and function of these joints. Even though the neck is the most commonly injured area during a car accident, the lower back can be injured too. The muscles, the ligaments, and tendons can be injured, even the discs. These nerves can be injured, causing sciatic symptoms, which is pain shooting from the back down the legs. The disc can become inflamed, causing further injury and irritation to the nerve. Many people have been told once they're in an auto accident that their neck or back has just been strained, they'll just have to learn to live with it. Well, nothing can be further from the truth. You don't have to live with the pain. We can help these kinds of problems, and if they're left untreated, they can turn into long-term issues that cause arthritis and degeneration and wear and tear in the joints, and that can cause a lifetime of problems. If a person's been injured in an auto accident, we use a number of treatments to get them well. Electrical muscle stimulation, which relaxes the muscles. Ultrasound therapy, which can promote the healing process and decrease spasm. Chiropractic adjustments help return the spine to a normal range of motion and normal alignment. We also use rehabilitative exercises like the Nautilus 4-way neck machine, and for lower back injuries, the Med-X machines. Spinal decompression may also be used if a person has a disc injury as a result of the accident. So you don't have to take pills and you don't have to have surgery if you've been involved in an accident. In most cases, these problems can be treated and you can be brought back to a pre-injury status with the treatments we offer here. Whether you've been injured in an auto accident or not, we have a very special opportunity. The first 25 callers will receive an examination, including 2 x-rays, report of findings, and their first treatment, all for $39. The number to call is 794-0800. And remember, don't take a pill, call Dr. Gill.
Again, the first 25 callers to say they watch News and More at midday will receive an exam, 2 x-rays, their report of findings, and their first treatment, all for only $39. The number to call is 615-794-0800.